Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking. Before we get started, just a reminder to like, share and subscribe and follow us on social media for more interesting updates. Today I'll be showing you how to make breadcrumbs at home in 3 different ways. Here I have taken 4 to 5 slices of bread, cut them into bite-sized pieces and toasted it in an oven. You can also toast them on a pan or a tawa, and once they are well toasted, I'm just going to put it in a mixie jar and blend it into a fine powder. You can see the breadcrumbs are ready. I have made it into a fine powder, but you can decide the texture as per your liking. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a month. So after the toasted breadcrumbs, now I'm going to make fresh breadcrumbs. For this I have taken about 4 slices of fresh bread, cut into bite-sized pieces and run it into a mixie. And you can see nice fluffy breadcrumbs are ready. They also can be stored for up to a week, but more than that, sometimes the bread tends to give a sour smell. So these are best when used fresh. And for the third type, I'm using sides of bread. Many times we just throw away the sides of the bread while making sandwiches. We cut it off and don't use it. But here I have just used all those sides and run it into a mixie, and your fresh breadcrumbs are ready. So you actually don't need to waste the sides that you cut. These can also be stored in the refrigerator. You can see they are nice and fluffy, and use it the way you like it. They are equally good like the breadcrumbs you would make from fresh slices of bread. So we saw 3 ways of making breadcrumbs, and it is so easy to make them at home. You can use them to coat your cutlets, crumb your chicken, nuggets or fish. Use it the way you like it. A simple recipe that can be made at home for you. I hope you have enjoyed this video.